Hi guys, so welcome back, and this video is a get ready with me for a wedding, and I'm gonna do my makeup quickly in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Linking all the products in the description box. Do check that out and let's get started. I'm using the Maybelline foundation. I'm gonna be really quick. This is what happens. I'm gonna apply the foundation as a concealer because I don't have time to apply and blend it. I'm cleaning the excess foundation with a beauty blender. So my base is set and I'm using the Maybelline Compact, which is in the shade Shell, and set my base and eyes. And it's done. So for my eyes I'm using the Savannah palette and a shimmer color. It's a warm shimmery color. I'm gonna show it for you guys. This is the shade. I'm gonna quickly apply. I'm not using any matte shade as a base, just a shimmery color. It's a beautiful warm shimmery color. That's my pump joy, I guess. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna use mascara. You know, with the same mascara, I'm gonna set my brows. Yeah, they're perfect. Yeah. Okay, to highlight my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter. And highlight. I'm gonna be really cool. apply my lipstick. I'm applying a brown shade and it's from the range Sugar. And use makeup fixer. This is from Wet n Wild, and yeah, that is it. Wait, let it dry. And this is the look. It's super simple. You can do it in just 5 minutes when you're running late and you want to get ready for a wedding or some function. This is the look. And if you guys like this look, please do like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.